essential oils, I really do enjoy using essential oils. And I use these a lot in my art sessions, okay? So essential oils, the way that they're made is that they are distilled or extracted from plants and flowers and roots and, fruit peelings. And that's how essential oils are created. So with these different scents, they can really help you heal. People are using them a lot for healing process, medicine, but I use them for relaxation. So when you use essential oils, you're going to help your clients relieve, improve, and excite their senses. So there's three different types of essential oils that I recommend using. There's the lavender, there's the chamomile, and there's also rose scented. Now, with the lavender, it relaxes tension in the body. So when you use essential oils in your sessions and you have lavender that is, fused out into your room, it really relaxes the tension in your clients' bodies. Okay, so when they come in, they're relaxed, they're not as tense or anxious when they're coming into the session. If you use chamomile, it really relieves any stress, okay? And it really soothes the mind. So as we know, residents or our clients, they're always thinking about something, right? And sometimes they're pretty much worrying about something. So if you are diffusing chamomile within your space, you're going to really help them to relax and to release any kind of stress that they have, and whatever thoughts they have going through their mind, that will kind of settle down too. And then there's also rose scented essential oils, and this really boosts and excites the mood naturally. So this is a very nice, soft yet sweet smell. And when you diffuse that through the space, it really does boost up their spirits, okay? And excites those senses. And that's what we want to do. So the way that I use my essential oils is that I use an aromatherapy diffuser. And it looks kind of like this. And actually, the awesome thing about mine is that it plays music. So I can hook it up to my Bluetooth on my phone and play some really nice classical or very soft piano music in the background. So you have the smells that excites the nose. You have the sound of, classical music or a piano playing. So that excites the hearing, right? Okay. And then you also have the artwork that they're doing, that they're creating. So now you're interacting with, the visual, right? But then also just the process of creating art, it really connects with the inner spirit and the heart. So now you are doing a full body, okay? You're exciting all their senses, except for taste though. But you're exciting all their senses, mind, body, and spirit. So it made me think about getting an aromatherapy diffuser. So when you use essential oils in your sessions, you'll notice that the room is more inviting. When I was setting up my session, it had the aromatherapy. I was using lavender at the time. And one of the staff members came in. He was like, oh, I want to be in here. It just automatically wants you to come in. The smell of the room is soft. It smells good. It makes the room feel warm. So it's automatically inviting, okay? Also, when you use essential oils, it really engages their clients, right? It increases their engagement. They want to be in the session. They want to be in the space, right? And also, the therapeutic art experience is heightened. So now it becomes more of a holistic experience. So try it. Essential oils. You'll be surprised with the possibilities. Till I see you again, continue to create, connect, and inspire others. And I'll see you tomorrow for tip number 3. Bye, amazing one.